are now at Chandru Idli Hotel. Let's check out the famous idli. So this is the outside look of the Chandru Idli Hotel. It's near Chikjala. You can visit it. So let's check out inside the Chandru Idli Hotel. So it's very clean and the service is very fast. Here you can see dal vada and aloo bonda. So we have ordered idli and vada. The service is very far better than many hotels. So here we are with our friends. The idlis are so soft. So I'll show you the kitchen of Chandru Idli Hotel. So it's the steam machine for idli making. So it's the filter coffee machine. The idlis are so soft. So we are going to the Usmanali Lake. Usmanali Lake is not only a water reservoir, also a source of livelihood and biodiversity. It supports local people and acts as habitat for numerous aquatic species. However, like many lakes, it faced challenges like pollution, encroachment, and depletion over the years. Recognizing the importance, initiatives have been taken to restore its beauty. Local authorities and citizens have come together to restore the lake, like planting trees along its bank and organizing cleanup drives and creating awareness campaigns. These initiatives highlight the power of collective action. Such action not only revive the lake, also educate citizens about natural water bodies. So we should take measures like preventing water wastage, throwing aquatic waste in water bodies. So organic farming is an agriculture method used for producing crops and livestock in harmony with nature. It avoids synthetic chemicals such as pesticides and fertilizers. Organic farming promotes soil health, biodiversity, and ecological balance while ensuring sustainable and environmentally friendly food production. This method often emphasizes human treatment of animals and excludes the use of genetically modified organisms. Its goal to create a self-sustaining system that nurtures the environment and produces high quality and chemical free products. So here we can see the drip irrigation system for the growing of flowers and growing of wheat. So drip irrigation in water efficient irrigation system that delivers water directly with to roots of plants through a network of pipes, tubes and emitters. It's ideal for conserving water, improving crop yield and promoting sustainable agriculture in areas with limited water sources. So it's the brinjal plant. Growing brinjal involves cultivating warm season crop that thrives in well drained nutrient rich soil and full sunlight. So here's the growing of beans plant involves fast growing nitrogen fixing plant, thrives in well drained soil and full sunlight. Seeds are sown directly into the soil after last frost with regular watering to keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. So here's the bore which is used for the farming. Here taking care of cows which gives us milk and the compost for organic farming. So welcome to the Bidar Fort. It's the 3-layered protection. Here you can see the deep between the wall and the fort. It's because here they would be storing water. If enemies want to enter the fort, they should have crossed the three-layered structure which was built in the 15th century for the protection of the fort. It's the second largest fort in our Karnataka. So the walls are very high. So here is the entrance of the fort. Bidar Fort is very historic fort located in Bidar, built in 15th century by Sultan Al-Ud-Din Bahman of Bahmani Sultanate. So these are the muskets used in 15th century. The fort is renowned for its impressive architecture and strategic location atop a plateau. Inside there are several structures of historical significance including the Rangin Mahal, Tarkash Mahal, Gagan Mahal and sprawling audience hall. The fort showcases a blend of Persian, Islamic and Indian architectural styles. Here you can see the cannons which were used in the early 15th century. So my dear friends, I want to show you today how to grow money plant at your home. So you need a small amount of soil and a container and a small sapling of a money plant. Okay, I am putting in this water to be alive. So first you take the soil and you clean the soil properly. You take out all the big rocks and make the soil properly. You clean the soil. So remove all the big rocks from the soil. See, you have to properly segregate the soil. You have to remove all the big rocks from the soil for the proper growth of the plant. So and now I have segregated the soil and remove all the rocks from the soil. Now it's time for shifting the soil into the container. You can make holes at the bottom of the container or else directly add the soil to the container. So I have an idea that I will grow sapling to a certain stage. After then I'll move it to the big container. So I'm not making any holes in the container. You remove some soil. Okay, now make a hole like this for planting the sapling of money plant. Now take the money plant. So just I have cutted it from the bud. Okay, at stem you will get a bud where it will be growing like a new plant. So I have cutted it right at the bud point. Okay, now you place it in the container properly with soft hands. Just keep the soil loose. Okay, just slightly touch the soil. Just slightly touch.
Okay, now I'm adding all the extra soil here from to the container. That's it. The plantation is finished. I took a newly growing stem so that it grows more faster and it grows like a new or better plant. Now just add some quantity of water to it, just small, because already the soil is so wet, so you don't need very much water. Extra water is also harmful for the plant, so you keep this in mind that only a little amount of water is enough. That's it. Okay.
So guys, now I'll show you the condition of my plant which I have planted 3 weeks before. You can see the plant has grown very nicely.